To set up portable hotspot on a Redmi Note 14 Pro, first we need to open a settings on our device, then we can scroll down looking for the portable hotspot. You can then select it, and here's a first option which allows you to turn it on or off. Then we can move to set up portable hotspot, and there's a few settings that we can adjust. The first one is the name of the network, then there's the password. You need to enter at least 8 digits. If you don't want any password, click on security and select none. If you want password, make sure you have either WPA2 or 3 selected. Then there's the option to change our AP band between 2.4G or 5G. And 2.4G gives you wider range of your network, and 5G increases a speed of the network while losing that range. And next is hide its SSID. If you turn on this option, your portable hotspot won't be visible and everyone will need to connect through to it manually. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.